Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Manuel Quintana, and today I'm here to let you know that we have added a new course to our on-demand learning catalog, and that is going to be Introduction to Power BI Datamarts. Now, Datamarts has really kind of come on the scene like a storm. It's been so popular since it's been announced in this August 2022. It is currently in preview, but there's so many questions. There's so much interest and excitement around potentially what Power BI Datamarts might offer organizations. And in the class itself, that is exactly what we're looking and hoping to discover. That when this tool and this feature becomes generally available, should this be something that my organization, your organization, should be considering and implementing in your Power BI environment? So we're going to be covering topics such as licensing, so you completely understand how potentially you can take advantage of it. Knowing and understanding also the architecture, really what's new about these Power BI data marts. When I hit create, what is that actually going to be doing for us? And then obviously, what is going to be the impact of this, and what are the use cases, and what scenarios do I want to maybe consider using data marts? Is this for everything, or certain specific scenarios in particular for our data analysis needs? And that's what we're going to be doing. That's the adventure that you're going to be going on as you go into this Introduction to Power BI Data Marts class that we're so very excited to bring to you. So as always, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.